Hello, welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today I'm going to show you how to make Gourd coconut curry. This is a traditional Kerala recipe and uses winter melon or gourd. You can also use any other kind of gourd or squash. So I have about 4 cups of gourd that is cubed. And then I'm going to add about 4 green chillies slit lengthwise, and that just gives it so much flavor. I'm adding 1 cup of water and a teaspoon of salt to this. In my cookbook AIP Indian Fusion, I have a variation of this recipe that is AIP, so you can check that out. Now cook this on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm making homemade coconut milk here. You can use canned coconut milk as well. To make homemade coconut milk, I have 1.5 cups of fresh grated coconut or frozen thawed grated coconut, and to that I'm adding 1 cup of hot water to blend it. And then this blended mixture I'm straining using a nut milk bag. I also have a separate video that shows you how to make homemade coconut milk, so you can follow that recipe as well. And what you do is basically strain it, the meat, coconut meat, one more time. That way you get all of that milk in. So I'm again going to use another 1 cup of hot water and blend it again and strain it. Now I just after 10 minutes leave the lid slightly open so that most of the water is evaporated. And then we just add the coconut milk, which is about 2 cups of coconut milk, and let it come to simmer for just 1 minute. It's important not to boil the coconut milk. Next, we'll do the tadka or the garnish. So add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 dry red chili, and then I just cover it and keep until the mustard seeds begin to splutter, and then turn the heat off and just add fresh curry leaves. Just this garnish has so much flavor, and just pour it over the cooked gourd, and that's your curry ready. It's so delicious. Hope you can try this recipe.